Video marketing is using videos to promote a brand, product, or service. It includes everything from brand awareness videos to product demos and customer testimonials. The goal? To engage viewers and communicate messages more effectively than static content can. Today, with platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, videos are easily accessible and help brands reach a wider audience. Videos are powerful because they combine visuals, sound, and storytelling to create a memorable impact. Studies show that videos increase engagement, boost recall, and drive higher conversion rates than text or images alone. Videos help build trust, convey authenticity, and allow customers to experience products and services in action. For example, explainer videos help simplify complex products, and customer testimonials add social proof. Video marketing can directly impact business growth by attracting more viewers, driving traffic, and encouraging conversions. A well-made video can grab attention, explain benefits, and persuade viewers to take action, whether it's signing up, buying, or sharing. Plus, video content is great for SEO, making websites rank higher and drawing more organic traffic. For businesses, this means reaching new customers, building loyalty, and standing out from the competition. We offer comprehensive information about video marketing to help you dive deeper into this subject and discover valuable insights on sales and marketing. Our course is designed to guide you in expanding your business and increasing revenue. By registering on our website, you'll get access to detailed information about the course, including what you'll learn and how it can support your business growth. This in-depth program covers all aspects of building and scaling a business through effective sales and marketing strategies. Thank you for watching.